Hello everyone, it's me Defi. So today we will make this beautiful leaf. All you need is yarn, hook, scissors and tapestry needle. First of all, we'll make the slip knot. And then we'll make 10 chains. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel if you like this video, guys, and don't forget to tag me on my Instagram if you make this beautiful leaf from my YouTube video. My Instagram is October_20. We will skip one chain and start one single crochet from the second chain, 1/2 double crochet, three double crochet, and then we will continue with 2 half double crochet, and then 2 single crochet. And we will continue the other side with 2 single crochet, one single crochet and 2 single crochet, and then 2 half double crochet, and 3 double crochet, one half double crochet, one single crochet. We almost finished make this beautiful leaf, and the next step we will make 5 chains like this. And for the last step we will skip the first chain and we will continue with 13 slip stitch. To be honest, my English is not really good, but I hope you guys understand what I'm saying, because I really want to reach all of you from all of the world. So yeah, don't judge me. I will be very happy if you help me also to improving my English. Don't forget to send me message on my Instagram. Oh, I forget to ask you, how are you today? I wish you good. You know, life is getting hard, but yeah, we will make it. We will make every day is our day, right? Okay, we finish the leaf, and then we cut the yarn and put the yarn on your tapestry needle like this. This leaf is very beautiful, to be honest. And then we will hide the yarn on the back of the leaf like this, and you can also burn the yarn to make it better. Okay, we finished with this beautiful leaf. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. Bye.